Did you know that 80% of engineers get rejected even before getting an interview? The main reason for this is bad resumes. Many resumes lack job relevant information, they are not in the right format, and do not use the right skill terms. As the engineering industry constantly evolves with new technology and skills, it's important that our resumes evolve as well to meet the industry standards. And that's where Capabl and AICTE come in. We are launching BR Square, Build Resume, Break Record, an event designed to help you create the perfect resume. We will be inviting hiring managers and industry experts from various domains to provide insights on the best resume practices. We will also be giving out premium resume templates and offering a chance for an internship or job opportunity. But that's not all. We are also aiming to break the world record for creating the highest number of resumes in a single day. And the best part, it's completely free. Are you excited to join us and create the perfect resume? Register on our website by using the link given below. So, let's unite together and break the world record while raising awareness about the importance of having an industry standard resume. Together, we can make India an engineering nation.